Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most opulent motorhomes on the road, the 2025 Prevost Millennium 5 Star. This isn't just a motor coach. It's a rolling luxury suite, crafted for those who expect the absolute best in comfort, tech, and performance. Let's begin with the chassis. Built on the legendary Prevost X345 platform, this coach delivers a smooth and powerful ride thanks to the Volvo D13 engine pushing 500 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. The ride is buttery smooth, even at highway speeds, thanks to Prevost's advanced suspension system and noise insulation. On the outside, the coach is a statement of wealth and precision. You get seamless full-body paint, custom stainless steel, accents, motorized awnings, and underglow lighting that gives it a striking presence at night. But it's when the slide-outs extend that the real magic happens. Stepping inside, it's pure elegance. The Millennium 5 Star features Italian leather furniture, backlit quartz countertops, custom wood cabinetry, and a fully tiled heated floor. Every inch is crafted to perfection, from the stitched trim to the LED mood lighting that can be fully customized. The living room comes with a 4K OLED TV on a power lift, a full surround sound system, and electric blinds for complete privacy. The galley kitchen is nothing short of gourmet, featuring top-tier appliances like a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher, a Wolf induction cooktop, Sub-Zero fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. Moving to the rear, the master suite offers a high king-size bed with massage functions, a second smart TV, and massive wardrobe space. The bathroom? It rivals a five-star hotel. You get a full residential shower with body jets, granite surfaces, and even a washer-dryer combo hidden seamlessly in custom cabinetry. Tech-wise, the Millennium is loaded. A full smart control system lets you manage lighting, temperature, security, and shades all from your smartphone or a touchscreen panel. There's also satellite internet, HD cameras around the coach, and solar integration for added energy independence. Storage is more than generous, with powered cargo bays underneath, some even featuring slide-out trays, freezers, and entertainment centers. And for those who tow a vehicle, the coach has a 20,000-pound rated hitch, meaning you can bring your luxury car along for the ride. Driving this machine is surprisingly relaxing. With adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, and air ride captain's chairs, it's as close as you can get to piloting a first-class cabin on the road. In short, the 2025 Prevost Millennium 5 Star isn't just a motorhome. It's a mobile mansion built for those who want nothing less than perfection. Luxury, power, technology, and space, all in one jaw-dropping package. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more reviews of the world's most powerful and luxurious machines, right here on Engine Explorer.